Good afternoon, everyone. What a day. We are strong. So we are, despite this bad weather, we are here. So we, Southern Mongolians, Tibetans, Uyghurs, Hong Kongers, Taiwanese, and Chinese are here today to express our strongest protest to the Chinese government and the Chinese leader Xi Jinping as the United Nations General Assembly is taking place in the building behind us. As you all know, China is a colonial power that invaded and colonized Tibet, Southern Mongolia, and East Turkestan. And the Chinese regime is an authoritarian regime that not only oppresses the people of these occupied nations, but also their own people. And it's even extending its long arm to Taiwan and beyond. Today, people talk about terrorism. People talk about extremism. People talk about ISIS. But the world is still indifferent to what China is doing to the people of Southern Mongolia, people of Tibet, people of East Turkestan, and even the Chinese people themselves. You know, China not only occupied this land, these three occupied territories, it is also oppressing their own people in China proper. So do not forget that Chinese regime and the Chinese Communist Party is the largest terrorist organization on earth. They're oppressing 1/4 of the world's population. Citizens of China have no basic human rights, no fundamental freedoms. And Mongolians and Tibetans and Uyghurs are arbitrarily arrested, imprisoned, and even killed just for being who they are. And their culture, their tradition, and their language are destroyed, and their natural environment is devastated. So we are here today to say to the world that Southern Mongolians, Tibetans, Uyghurs, Hong Kongers, Taiwanese, and Chinese are standing in solidarity to demand our right to determine our political future, to demand our freedom, human rights, and human dignity. Thank you.
So this rally today is organized by 13 groups. I would like to read out the name: Uyghur World Congress, World Uyghur Congress, Keep Taiwan Free, New York for Hong Kong, Regional Tibetan Youth Congress, New York, New Jersey, Southern Mongolian Human Rights Information Center, Uyghur Human Rights Project, United States Tibet Committee, China Human Rights Accountability Center, Initiative for China, Uyghur Human Rights Association, Chushi Gangtu, Unrepresentative Nations and People's Organization, and finally Students for Free Tibet. Now I would like to request Geshe Pandey Gyatso-La, who is the longest Tibetan political prisoner, longest serving former Tibetan political prisoner. Geshe Pandey Gyatso-La spent over 33 years in Chinese prison and labor camp. So Geshe Pandey Gyatso-La will address